welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a vanity tour, kind of showing you how I organize everything, where my vanity is from. I've been getting a ton of questions about my vanity, where I got it from, how I organize everything, and so now the fall season is pretty much upon us, so I thought I would go ahead and scrub down everything, reorganize my entire vanity. So I felt that it was the perfect opportunity to kind of walk you through what I normally do, how I clean it, how I organize it, and kind of what I use to organize everything, all of my makeup products. I purchased my vanity from Impressions Vanity. They are a company that solely kind of sell vanity products and also accessories as well. And I've purchased this one about 4 or 5 years ago, I believe now. I use it in my backdrop for all of my videos, or most of my videos, and I do love it. There are some regrets. For instance, I wish I didn't get the one that completely has mirrors on all of the drawers. They tend to get dirty quite a bit. Fingerprints, they are magnets for fingerprints, so that's my only regret. They do have a couple of different options, especially now. It's been years, so they do have brand new ones, but even though that's the case, I do still love it, and I really have been organizing it in different ways. It depends on the season, the products that I have. As I expand my product, I kind of change things around. I do organize and reorganize it constantly, so it's forever changing in the way I organize it, but I just figured I would just go ahead and film how I'm going to organize it right now, since I've been getting so many questions about it. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Before I get into today's video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. A lot of you, I've noticed, that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel, so I would really love if you would hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would really appreciate if you would join my family. Okay, so let's get into today's video. This is what we're starting off with. So I'm going to show you just what I ordered, and then we're going to get this all cleaned up and reorganized. So here's some acrylic organizers that I ordered off of Amazon. So first we have these slanted kind of acrylic organizers. I thought these might be perfect for foundations, to kind of put them in the drawers, add a slant, to kind of have them all on display, kind of for easier access. And then I purchased this for my brushes. Now I do have to put it all together, but it kind of opens, and I really like this because it keeps my brushes dust free, and I can put all of my brushes in here. So I think this is going to be perfect, much better than just putting them in a bag and in the drawer the way they are right now. And then these just regular acrylic trays that are going to keep everything nicely organized. Okay, so I am going to clean up the vanity, and we are going to start organizing everything. And everything is all organized. So I'm the kind of person that if I see it, I will use it. And if I don't, then it's going to stay in the drawer. So this is one of the main reasons why I really wanted this vanity set, because of the top side. So I can see everything, and whenever I need it, I can just go ahead and grab it. So I'm first going to start off with this brush holder. I love it. It's so much better than just putting all my brushes in a drawer. And it just opens up like so. And I love the fact that it also kind of turns around, and all of your brushes can be easily accessed. So I love that. I love that it remains dust free as well. One of the main reasons why I don't like kind of like a cup holder for my brushes is because dust kind of lays on your brushes, but like this, it's kind of enclosed, so I don't have to worry about that. So, and then it closes like so. Just go ahead and make sure this goes in. All right, so then I have this drawer here. So I figured I would go ahead and keep all of my nail polishes. So I use these slanted acrylic. They were too big to put in the drawers, so I went ahead and put them right on top, and I laid all of my nail polishes. I absolutely love this because now if I want a nail polish, I can see all of the shades that I currently own. These are all of the Olive and June ones. I love Olive and June nail polishes. I feel like they last long and they're just so good. I love the shades. I also kept all of the other nail accessories as well. So here are the poppies. These you put them on top of the nail polishes. If you haven't seen Olive and June's, they always come with little poppies. It makes it easier for you to paint your nails. And then these are top coats and just a couple of other nail essentials. So I absolutely love how nicely organized this looks now. And I have to say, this is probably my favorite side to my vanity now. Okay, so next I have all things Chanel. I have a couple of Dior products in here. So these are mostly used products. So I did keep also the nail polishes from Chanel and Dior on this side. I've got a couple of other kind of products. We've got the beige products over here. This is the medium and then the regular universal shade. I have the Chanel Universal Powder and just a couple of others. So all of the lip products here. I love the fact that I have them nicely organized in this acrylic divider. And then I have the base, the Le Beige base cream, and then my beloved CC cream as well. So all nicely organized. So when I need them, I see them, and that way I will use them. So this side, I have all of the special edition sets. So I've got the 31 Le Rouge coffret from Chanel. I've got the Dior birthday gift. This one has the notebook and the pencil case. And then I have the 2 takeaway sets by Chanel and just a Coco Mademoiselle bag. This includes all of the kind of extras that they normally give with my orders. So I just felt like this would be such a nice way to display them all. And then the top part here. Now I kept this pretty much similar to what it was before. I love this. It keeps all of my lipsticks nicely organized. So I have pretty much most of my lipsticks here. And then here I have my most used lipsticks. So these are the lipsticks that I absolutely have been adoring. And like I said, if I see it, I will use it. So I just keep these here. And then these are a couple of other things that I use on a daily basis. Some mascaras, some more lip glosses. We've got eyebrow products here. And then we have some concealers. Just a couple of things that are in larger tubes. And then a couple of other products that I have been using consistently. So I have my Color Science Flex. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen, but it also is tinted as well. Absolutely love this product. And then the Total Eye, the 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy Total Eye. Love this product. I use these daily. And then we have some other products, the Nadine and Jam products that I recently reviewed. If you haven't seen that, it is available on my channel. So just beautiful products. I have a candle, my setting sprays, and that's pretty much the top part. Absolutely love it. I'm so excited. I love when things are nicely organized. And again, this is probably my favorite. I just love how I have all of my nail polishes nicely organized. And then I also have the Chanel and Dior ones here. One of the things with this vanity is I did choose to get the mirrored version. Now, again, I've had this for a while now, so I don't think that they have these anymore, but this was a regret of mine. I do wish that I didn't get the mirrored version of it. I just wish I got the regular one. I feel like this, I mean, if you put your finger, it does catch fingerprints, you know, makeup, you can get things dirty. If you're applying any foundation or any product and then you want to pull something out of the drawers, yeah, this gets really dirty pretty easily. So, but nonetheless, I just kept it, but this definitely is a regret of mine. Now, let's start off with the top drawer. So I have my eyebrow products here. It's so amazing. This drawer had so much stuff in here, and then when I organize it, it feels like, oh, I don't have a lot of stuff in here, but hey, I'm not mad. I threw away quite a few things that I didn't need, things that have expired. So I love that this is all organized. So just a couple of eyebrow products. And yeah, this is mostly like blushes. I've got the Rare Beauty blushes, setting spray, just a mini version of of it. And that is this drawer here. Now for the next drawer. Now this is where I keep all of my foundations. So I had them kind of put to the edge like this. That way I know what I have, and when I need something, I just grab it and go. And then I have some more complexion products like the Dior Forever Glows. We've got the Dior Concealer, the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint, and then a Chanel blush here, as well as the Lisa Eldridge foundation. And then I have this mirror here. This is what I use to kind of do my eyebrows, because I do my own eyebrows. All right, so the last two drawers, I just have, you know, miscellaneous bags. If I want to travel, these are easy to kind of grab and go. And then same with down here, just a couple of other miscellaneous products, older products that I've reviewed in the past that I just can't get around to throwing away. Again, I do keep a lot of these things just because when I review products, sometimes you ask me for comparisons, so I have them ready to go. Now for the other side, so up here I have some powders, the Huda Beauty setting powders that I absolutely love. We've got some blushes, some other miscellaneous makeup products, so really nicely organized. And then back here I have all of the extras that usually come with my orders as well. So we've got some miniature mascaras and some perfumes, just all organized in this drawer. Okay, so in here I have some Chanel products. So the next two drawers, you're going to see a lot of Chanel and Dior products. And here I have some of the oversized Chanel highlighters and a couple of other products. Now, when I first started my YouTube channel, the eyeshadow palettes, or pretty much all the palettes, I would throw away the boxes. But then I found out that it was so hard for me to find all of the products. Prior to YouTube, I never used to purchase this much makeup. I used to maybe have like one eyeshadow a year that I just would love so much and would use over and over again. So it was easy to kind of just throw away the box because I knew exactly what that palette was. But with the YouTube, now I have multiple eyeshadows, so it's just so hard to know what palette is which. So that's when I decided to kind of keep them in boxes for easier access, but I just kept the ones without the boxes up here. And then we have these three products here. So this is my very first Chanel No. 5 fragrance that I purchased. This is the No. 5 Eau de Parfum, and I can't get myself to throw this away. I remember saving up for this, and this was the first luxury Chanel perfume I ever purchased, and it just has this kind of nostalgia for me. So I always keep this. It brings me back to that time when I was so excited to get a Chanel No. 5 fragrance, and then it kind of exploded from there, and I started just falling in love with all things Chanel and just high-end luxury fragrances. And then this is the very original Chanel bronzing cream, and it used to be called the Sultan de Chanel. I keep this again for comparison purposes. I obviously do not use this anymore. I've had this for like over 10 years, I would say. So yeah, this is not something I would any longer put on my face, but again, I just keep it for comparisons if Chanel comes out, and well, they did come out with newer versions of this, so just to compare them on my channel. And then this is the Sultan de Chanel highlighter. Again, old product, no longer used. As you can see, it's pretty grimy there, but again, I just keep it for comparison. This drawer is all things Chanel, all of the beautiful palettes that I review on my channel. They are kept nicely organized right over here. And again, I keep these in their original boxes because it's just easier for me to know which is which whenever I want to use a product or compare it on my channel. Then I can just pick it up and go. Okay, down here I have all of my Dior products. And again, all in boxes. We've got a couple of Tom Ford palettes down here, and then Charlotte Tilbury products as well. And then these are palettes that, again, don't have boxes that I had originally before I decided I'm going to keep everything in their original boxes. Last but not least, this drawer has all things makeup, all other miscellaneous makeups. We've got the Marc Jacobs bronzing powder here, some Charlotte Tilbury palettes, and every single palette that I have by Natasha Denona is all in the back here. I've got some Huda Beauty palettes here. And yeah, so this is all the other miscellaneous products from other brands as well. So that is it for my vanity tour, as well as how I organize it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope if you are thinking about purchasing this kind of vanity, or you already have a vanity and you're just not sure how to organize things, I hope this video made it easy for you. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate if you do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.